If you've ever worried about losing important files on your computer, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn on backup in Microsoft OneDrive, so your desktop documents and pictures are always protected in the cloud, safe from accidental deletions and hard drive crashes. By the end of this video, you'll have peace of mind knowing your most valuable files are automatically backed up and accessible from anywhere. Let's dive in and get you set up. First, we need to find OneDrive on your Windows computer. Take a look at the bottom right corner of your screen. This is where the taskbar notification area sits. You're looking for a little cloud icon, which will be either blue or white. If you don't see it right away, it could be tucked away among the hidden icons. Just click the small upward-facing arrow in your system tray and see if the OneDrive cloud is hiding in there. Found it? Great, this is your gateway to cloud backups. Click on the OneDrive cloud icon. A small menu will pop up. From here, we need to access the settings to set up our backups. Look for the Help and Settings button, which should look like a little gear or cog icon, just like you'd expect. Click that and then select Settings from the list. This opens the OneDrive settings window where all the important controls live. In the settings window, take a look at the top. Depending on your version of OneDrive, you'll see a tab called Sync and Backup or simply Backup. Go ahead and click that tab. This section is designed specifically for managing which files and folders OneDrive keeps an eye on for you. It's like telling a friend which boxes you want them to watch over during a move. Super important for making sure nothing gets lost. Now let's decide what you want OneDrive to back up. You'll see an option labeled Manage Backup. Click this button and the Backup Your Folders window will appear. Here, where you'll see your desktop, documents, and pictures folders. These are usually the places people store their most crucial files without even realizing it. Take a moment to look at this window. You'll see little toggle switches next to each folder. Turning these on means OneDrive will automatically back up everything in that folder to the cloud. I recommend at least turning on backup for all three, unless you have a specific reason not to. Better to be safe, right? Just click the switches so they're in the on position for the folders you want protected. Once you've made your selections, click the Save Changes button. This applies what you've just set. Now OneDrive will begin backing up those folders in the background. This part might take a few moments, especially if you have a lot of files or large photos. Don't worry if you don't see everything appear instantly. OneDrive works quietly, always keeping the latest versions of your files synced and safe. And that's it, you've successfully turned on backup in Microsoft OneDrive. Now, no matter what happens to your computer, your files are just a few clicks away on any device. If you want extra assurance, you can even test it by adding a file to your desktop and watching it sync to the OneDrive folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any issues. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech guides just like this. See you in the next video.